At some point in time, you'll experience a problem with your cable or DSL internet connection. The first thing most people would do when this happens is to call their ISP. This is not always the best choice because the problem may be a result of your equipment malfunctioning, which could result in you paying for the service call, which is generally between $90 and $120 in North America, depending on your ISP. In this video, I'll show you how to check your network before calling your ISP in order to avoid a service charge. The most common service calls are for no internet service. This is where your internet service is completely down. This problem can be a result of defective ISP equipment or defective customer provided equipment. Now this diagram is a basic representation of what your local area network would look like. Your modem would be connected to a wall jack with either a cable connection, which is the coaxial cable connection if you have cable, or a telephone type line if you have DSL. And now this is your modem. A lot of modems are combination modems, which have a modem and router incorporated into it so that you can actually have Wi-Fi. Most residential subscribers would have a modem combo like this one, and connected to the router side would be an Ethernet cable which would be going to your computer. Now also this router would be set up for Wi-Fi so that you can connect with a Wi-Fi computer or cell phone or an iPad or tablet or any device that you want to connect to the modem wirelessly with. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to get from your computer to the modem, how to get right into this modem from your computer or any one of your wireless devices to test your entire local area network. So if your line is down and you can get to here, that will confirm that your entire local area network is okay. You want to do it with your Wi-Fi just to make sure you can get it with your Wi-Fi and also your wired devices. Now if you don't have any wired devices connected, don't worry about it. Just do it with your Wi-Fi alone, just your computer or your cell phone or whatever Wi-Fi device you may be using at the time. Now under here I have the IP addresses that you use. You type these IP addresses into the browser on the computer or on your tablet or phone or whatever. You'll type one of these IP addresses in the browser. So in the United States we have Xfinity, Verizon, AT&T, and these are IP addresses. We also have Spectrum, and they have two IP addresses. So you try one, and if it doesn't work you try the other, and Xfinity is the same idea. Now for India, I have two ISPs in India and two in Canada as well, Bell Canada and Rogers. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring up a browser, okay, and on this computer here, my computer is actually connected in this exact way, so I'm going to use my computer to get right into this modem to show you how that is done. Okay, so here I brought up a browser. I'm in Toronto, Canada, and my ISP is Bell Canada, and the IP address of Bell Canada is 192.168.2.1. And I'm getting into the modem right now. It's a Home Hut 3000, and I'm into the modem. And at this point, I'm reasonably sure that my problem is not on my local area network, because I can get to this modem from a device on my local area network. So I know I'm good right up to the modem. Now from the modem, you just got a cable going from the modem to the jack, and this is what is coming in through the jack to your modem, your internet signal. Here I got the internet signal. I also have a TV signal. These are two different signals right in on the same internet line because I have IPTV, which I'm getting from my ISP as well. If my line was down, it would say down right here. And at this point, I would want to start looking at what is happening before the modem in my home. Like, I can't go outside because that's the ISP's area. They have to look at that part. But at least I can make sure that the connection between the modem and that jack is secure. Now this is the connection between the modem and the wall jack. Now this could be a telephone type connection, or it could be a coaxial cable, depending on if it is cable or DSL. And by the way, these lights down here, this light here tells you when you have a physical good connection. This light would normally be on solid if you have a good connection between this modem and your ISP's modem. This light would be on solid. If it is not a good connection, this would be flashing. So this is also a good visual indicator. Now if you have a good physical connection but you don't have a good virtual connection, which is where your username and password or your MAC address in the case of a cable modem, if either one of those is not authenticated with your ISP's authentication server, you would not get an IP address to get onto the internet. So this link light here will be flashing. If everything is fine, this link light will be solid, just like the online light, and you should have an IP address where you could get onto the internet. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and if you'd like to see more videos like this one, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and notification so that you'll be alerted as soon as our new videos are released. My name is Trevor from Telecom Training. Thank you for watching.